Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the hardware quickly so you can test payments or tags. Open Settings and search for NFC or tap connections. This jumps you to the right panel. Once found, toggle NFC on and allow any permission prompts. If you don't see NFC, make sure your model supports it by checking About Phone. If battery is low, charge above 20% to prevent shutdowns during configuration. Once NFC is turned on, you customize how it behaves. Go into NFC settings and choose Android Beam or tag reading options so you control read/write flows. This matters for security. Next, set your default payment app and decide whether NFC works on the lock screen. Make sure you understand the trade-off between convenience and security. Finally, pick card emulation or polling modes if your phone offers. You finish by testing real interactions to confirm success. Tap a known NFC tag or hold your phone to a contactless terminal. You should see a prompt or transaction overlay. If nothing happens, restart the phone and toggle NFC off and on to reinitialize the radio. If problems persist, clear the NFC app cache or update system software, because firmware fixes often resolve detection issues. This single troubleshooting step solves most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.